We're expecting to have over 100 students at the campus this evening, and we're so excited for them to start this journey. We've been working closely with them throughout the entire admissions process. To see them here today is very exciting for the admissions team, and we look forward to assisting our students throughout their education here at WVJC. Have partnered with several hospitals in the area, including CAMC, Raleigh General, Thomas. So these relationships that we've been able to build over the years, and the trust that they have with our nursing staff and our students being successful once they graduate, we've been able to really stay connected within the community and develop those solid, prospective students and interests. And we continue to look forward to growing and spreading into other areas throughout West Virginia. Well, that's to come.